Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for a position that you have found on the Jobsite application by uploading your CV. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this find icon down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, click on this search bar at the top and type in the name of the position that you are looking for, and after finding it, click on that. Here you can read about it, and if you want to apply, tap on I'm interested down below. Here you should fill in the personal data section by typing in your name and email address. Then your profile details should be added too, such as your current or most recent job title, highest level of education, and your salary. Tap on the button save, and then finally you should upload your CV. So tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, the attachment has been uploaded. So all you have to do is click on the send application down below. So the application has been sent. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.